We will ask Joseph to do it, okay? Joseph, close your eyes. And get some chips. Very good. Put them down. Put them down. Okay. Is it an even number or odd number? Let's count how many chips we have there. 4. Let's ask Joseph to put them into 2 different groups. Okay? Move this one here. This one. This one here. Okay. See, we can put them in 2 equal groups. Okay? Hey, come in. So, this is an even number. And now, we will ask him, do you know what an even and odd number is? Okay, so now Marie will show us a magic trick. Okay? So, let's go to the board. And you will give me only odd numbers. Okay? And Marie will turn around, and she is not looking at us. And you come to me, and you whisper so she doesn't hear. Okay? Each of you come to me and give me an odd number. How many of them we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Marie, we have 9 odd numbers. What do you think if their sum is odd or even?
Odd.
She says that their sum is odd. When we put all of them together, we will get an odd number. This is a little bit big for us. Can we keep it?
Use a calculator.
I know how to calculate. Just afraid it may be a little bit difficult for you. But let's add them up. 79 plus 1. Who knows what it is? Yes. 80. 8. Yes. Okay. 9 and 11. 20. 7 and 13. 20. What else we end up with? 15 and 5. 20. Oh, we're getting a lot of page ones. And we have 3. So we have 80 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 3. Yes? Am I right? Who knows what this is? Elena? 100. What is 100 plus 20? Larissa? 120. 120, yes? What is 120 plus 20? 140. And we have 140 plus what an odd and even number is? Give me an odd number. Give me an odd number. And Diego, give me an odd number. Okay, Marie, don't turn around. We have 4 odd numbers. If we add them together, what do you think? We will get an even or an odd number?
Even.
An even number. How does she know? She's not even looking at the board. Isn't it magic?
Totally.
Totally. Maybe she can see it. You know, let's add it together and check. What is 1 plus 5? 6. What is 11 plus 3? Yes.
It is
14. What is 6 plus 14? 20. Is 20 an even number? Was she right? Wow. Who knows how to make this trick? Who wants to try it instead of Marie? Becca? Okay. Should we try it with Becca one more time? You want to do it too? Okay. Okay. Eleanor, give me an odd one. It's not a high one, so we will spend back there. Yes. Okay. Who else? Give me an odd number. Okay. Becca, we have 5 odd numbers there. What do you think their sum is? Is it odd or even?
Even.
Becca says even. Is she right or wrong? Who wants to help me to count? Risha, can you write it down on the board?
I can.
They want to? Okay, Clarissa. Please check how Clarissa is doing it, because we don't want to make a mistake. Yes? 11 plus 13 is 24, yes? But we also have 7 and 3.
Yeah, I was adding the bigger numbers.
Okay, good. Oh, we got many more kids.
I can start them as a group. Okay, let's start them as a group.
Sure.
Okay.
Are we getting an even or an odd number? Let's turn around. We have another.
You guys, let's sit down. Do you want to do it?
You're confused? Okay, so let's do it together.
Everyone, we'll just start them as a group.
11 plus 9 is what? 20.
We'll start them as a group.
7 plus 3 is what?
Come on over.
10. 20 plus 10 is what?
Okay, I'm going to go around.
30. And 30 plus 13 is? 30 plus 13 is given.
It's okay. Go back.
Question to you: if I have two even numbers and I add them together, will I get an even or an odd number? Two even numbers. Two even numbers.
Even,
Yes.
even. You'll get even.
9,
Who thinks we will get even?
10, 8.
You will get even.
Two even numbers together. Even plus even. What do you think we will get? Even or odd?
6 is 4 and 4
2
is
plus 2 is 4.
2,
and
6,
2 is
5.
even numbers, so 4 is
Okay, what do you think?
Okay, so
Will we get an even or an odd one if we put two even together? Like 2 plus 2.
so fewer of
If-
us. Okay.
Yes.
Anyone, can you guys maybe give me some examples? Those of you who've heard of even and odd?
Let's try.
An
Okay?
even number.
2 here and 2 here. Do we get an even number?
Oh, wow. 2,
What if we get an even and
6,
an
and
odd
8.
number?
Those are all some even numbers. Does anyone
We
have some
get
examples
an
of
even
some odd
number
numbers?
plus an odd number.
Lauren, want to give me one odd
What
number?
if we get 2 odd numbers?
10. We're going to have to investigate 10. 10's pretty big.
So now I want to forget
Definitely
all
odd.
about this.
10 falls into our even category, but you know what? We're going to look into that. We're going to use some chips to count it out in just a second.
I think so.
Michaela.
Everyone could play with
1 is odd.
and they
Do
need
you
you
guys
to
know
work
any other
with
odd
them.
numbers?
So choose who you want to
It's
work
okay.
with. Okay?
There's lots of them.
Come here.
What were you going to say?
6.
6. Is 6
Doesn't get
odd?
working together.
6 is even. It falls into this category. Any other odd numbers?
So,
You guys know it? 7. Okay, so here's our big list. Okay, let's do some investigating. Let's start with 10. Okay, what we're going to do is make sure we have 10. 2.
Kylie and Clarissa, they want to work together.
Okay,
Okay,
so we have 10 chips in the middle. And even
You want to work in one group?
means
Three
when
of
we
you?
break it into,
Okay.
we can either break it into 2 groups.
Risha?
So let's see if we can break our 10 chips into 2 groups. Okay. So
So, each
Karina,
group
will you come
gets
and will you see
4
if you can
plus.
break this into 2 groups? So what I mean is
Try to
here's
spread.
one group and here's another. See if we can evenly split the rest of our chips into our 2 groups.
Get 4 glasses. Four. Let me bring
One over here, one more in this group.
Please count it and giving you 4. But I
And
know.
one more in this group.
Oh, you got 5.
So we're gonna make 2 groups here, all of our chips, and we're gonna put one in this group and one in this group. Now you can put one more in this group. And then one in
So
this
now, please watch how I'm putting these glasses. I put one glass like this, one glass like this, one glass like this, and one glass like this. Okay, think. This is nice. Okay? No.
That's okay, you can just put it on top.
One glass goes up.
There you go.
Okay, now
So we split them up into 2 groups. Are there any left over? There's no left
you can
over.
turn 2 glasses at a time.
Is in our even
Okay?
group, because there's no left
Any
over.
2 glasses at a time. They should be yours, okay? For your group. So don't confuse them with, move yours a little bit over. Yes. So,
So when we
the
split them up,
idea is to put all of them like that, or put all of them like that, so they all look the same way. But you cannot turn one at a time. You need to turn 2 glasses at a time,
okay,
okay?
we're gonna just do one at a time and we're
Whoever does it first wins the prize.
Listen out when you count them out really loud for us, and we're gonna see how many gives you. Yes, you can do 2 turn them upside down.
No, you turn 2 of them.
Always turn 2.
You turn
Always turn 2 at one time. So put your
Not
2
one
cups
at
on
a
2
time.
cups.
2 at a time.
Turn them both at the same time. And then put your 2 cups on 2 cups. Both at the same time. You can turn any 2 cups like that. Okay? But you always turn 2 cups anytime you turn them.
For those of you who think they did it, please show. Please show Ashley.
So you start with the like this. And then what did you do? Oh, but you can do 2 at the same time. So when you do that one, you turn another one. Oh, let's see. So you keep going and see if you can get them all. Remember, you're both in anytime you turn one cup, but you didn't turn another cup. So remember, you're always turning
missing one. We have a leftover, don't we?
You could
So
pick
if
2 other
one's
cups.
left over, that's when we have odd. This is the odd chip. He doesn't have a pair. He doesn't have a
Now let's say
partner,
you did
right?
leftover.
So if there's a leftover one like this, that's when
But
we
you
said
just turned
odd.
1 cup by yourself,
Right,
right?
I'm going to try another one.
So let's start back this way.
You want to grab a needle this time? Let's see. Let's count out your chips. We already did 11, so I'm going to give you a couple more chips to see what happens. And did we find out 11 was even or odd? It was odd because we had that leftover. So what are we going to do?
You will take turns.
Do you want to try another cup?
Turns to just then another.
Put them into pairs.
You do it in just one at a time. Use 2 hands.
Okay, I'm going to learn. So are they all paired up? It's hard to see. Do you want to help her pair them up? Come over and help pair them up, John.
So if you start with 4 of them upside down, you can get them all upside up. What if you started with all 6 cups? Because if you do like this, then this one is up. But what if you could make a couple of them up?
Yeah, we can do that. We did it.
So what happens when we pair them up? Is there any leftover? Or is it perfect? So is it an even number or is it an odd number?
What if you start with 5 cups upside down?
We want to do one more. You two at a time about even and odd. You want to do another one? Okay. I'm going to have you count, and then I'm going to have help you. Whoa, big number. Can we do it with big numbers, you think? Let's try.
And they should turn 2 cups at a time. How was it?
So what if you had 6 cups?
What do you think it would be easy if you get it to 4 cups?
Okay. Who has a guess?
So let's check. Put them all upside down.
Raise your hand if you think it's even.
And always do 2 at a time.
I'm not going to. Wow. Raise your hand if you think it's off. Raise your hand if you're not sure and you really want to count them out. Okay. All right. So let's pair them up. I'm going to help you out with it. You can help pair them up.
Do we have any success there?
It's impossible. It's not possible.
Not easy to read. Okay, Anthony thinks that it is impossible. Do you agree or disagree with him? Ian, how is it possible for you? Was it possible?
It was possible.
So Ian and Diego think it is possible.
What did we find out? Can we put them in a big line?
Who else thinks it is
So
possible?
I see a pair.
Becca and Suzanne, you think it is possible? Please move up over there.
Make a big long line.
What about you? Do you think it is possible or do you think it is not possible?
Well, that's okay.
Not possible. You stay here.
Let's help make a
Please.
big line of our pairs.
Not possible. Larissa and Kylie, do you think it's possible or not?
You
No.
guys will have a lot.
Okay. So, should we ask those people who say it is possible to see how they are doing it?
Yes.
Ian, you say it is possible. Can you please show us
Over here you can watch from
what you were doing? So 2 at a time. Okay.
Okay, now what did we figure out? Do we think it's even or odd? Very good, guys. Okay, so do you think we're going to go do this? You guys ready?
Yeah.
Will you help me put these away? Okay. Or- You have these again. Got it? Can I help put it back on? No? You got it?
Now, do you remember how I did it? No. What about you, Becca and Suzanne? Did you get it? Okay, let's look at what Becca was
Okay.
doing.
Oops, sorry. It doesn't stick anymore. You know what? We have to tape it.
No, that was turning
If
3
you want
at
to
a time.
keep it on, you can tape it on. Want to try? Come on over, Zoe. Let's put it on your jacket.
Okay. I think I know. I think it's not.
We'll see if that stays for now, okay?
Can you explain why?
Okay. All right, let's see if I need these.
Because.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not hot.
Let's listen for Anthony and then Parity.
Yes, sir.
You can flip this.
Okay. All right. So what we're going to
Or
do is we're going to write some numbers on the board, and then we're going to add them together. I'm going to ask for some odd numbers. People think they have some examples in their heads of odd numbers. Okay. Now, and then we're going to add them up. And we're going to figure out if after we add them, the sum after we add them is even or odd.
No. You have something. Yes, like this.
Because what Marie's going to do is we're going to count how many numbers are on the board. And she's going to tell us if our sum is even or odd without looking. It's going to be magic. Okay? All right, so.
It looks like a little talking one. Odd.
Is this odd or no?
Oh!
Is this odd? Is that good? Not yet.
Okay. I think you're tired with this one. You want to try it at home again? I'm not going to give you the answer, okay? You can try it at home again.
Do you want to try again?
See whether you can do it or not. And try it with a different number of glass, okay? So let me collect this. And we will do something else. We were supposed to do a magic trick, right? Or something.
Need a magic trick.
Oh, we have a lot of magic tricks. So, try it at home.
Okay.
If you want to.
Okay. How many numbers do we have total?
So this is
4 total. Okay.
let me see.
Maria, we have 4 odd numbers on the board. When we add them together, are we going to get an even number
Or the fingers
or an odd
multiplication.
number?
I
You know what?
say
Those
get some
kids
even
who know how
Okay,
to
Maria says
multiply,
it's
they
gonna
come
be
here. Because this
Even.
trick requires some multiplication.
I am
Can we add them with chips and see?
Fine, something
Okay, so I want everyone to get in groups of 3 people. Okay?
Do you know how
Okay,
to...
and let's sit down in groups of 3 people, okay?
Ian, do you know how to multiply? Yeah, do you know how to multiply?
Good, okay, so
So, those kids
I
who
want
know
you-
how to multiply, please jump here. Again, I need you in pairs. Do you want to change your partners or do you want to stay with the same partner?
we can do 2.
Okay, find your partner.
And
Come to me. Those kids who can multiply, come
count
here.
out 9 chips. And what we're going to do is you guys are going to add them
Okay,
together.
so Marie and
It's even.
Marie, come
We're
here.
not sure, so we're going to add them up.
Marie and I are going to show you a game. Okay?
All right, so
The one that you will play with your partner.
will you take 1?
We say 1, 2, 3, and then we do something. Show something. 1,
Okay,
2,
you
3.
do a different check.
And then we multiply. I have 2 She has 2. Together they multiply their what? That's okay.
2 is 4.
2 times 2 is 4. Is it an even or an odd number? It's an even number? Marie wins if it is an even number. I win if it is an odd number. Okay? Let's try it. 1, 2, 3. I have 5. She has 2. When we multiply them together, no, when we multiply, not add, multiply. Yes? 10. Is 10 an even or an odd number? Who wins? She does. Now you try it with your partner. Okay? You try it with Marie. Oh, you try it with Marie.
To learn, aren't you? That's great. We're going to play a game that doesn't need multiple.
Who wins? You win when it is even. You win when it is odd.
1, 2, 3.
You win when it is even. You win when it is odd.
Woman.
Okay? You win when it is even. You win when it is odd.
5. Okay, now
You will switch.
how many boys do I have?
2.
2 boys. Okay, so here's the trick. Here's the question.
Here.
Suppose that we went to a party and we were going to sit in a circle. But everybody is going to sit next to 2 people of the same sex. So let's in a circle. Everybody sit in a circle. What happened when we sit in the circle or one? Just like we sit beside Anna. Right there. So Anna, are you sitting? Who are you sitting next to? A boy and a boy. Want to join us? Are they the same? Are they? So both boys, both girls mean they're the same, or is one a boy and one a girl? So Letitia has 9 on the side of you. Yeah. So looks like we ended up with some answers over here. Okay, so
they're the same.
try the magic
What
trick
about you?
again.
If anybody is sitting next to you,
Okay,
same
want to do the
or
magic
different?
trick again? Okay, so
Okay, who are you sitting next
let's
to?
put all the tricks back. You do your magic. I would love to see your magic trick later. Put all the tricks back. Let's put some more.
You win when it is even.
Okay.
Am I sitting next to the same or different?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Same. I'm sitting next to 2 girls. Becca, what about you?
Okay. So, who chose what number?
Same. What about you, Susan? Maria,
You chose a number.
ask Suzanne, is she sitting next to 2 kids the same sex or different sex?
Different.
4 is
2. Let's put 2 tricks on.
Yeah, different, right? What if we were trying to arrange ourselves so that everybody... Yeah, we went through that. Yeah. Same. No, different.
That calls you
We're different, same. Different. Different. 2 different, and everybody else the same. Can we arrange ourselves in a circle in a different way so that everybody
Do
is
you want to give
sitting
me an odd number? Is 1 on? Okay. Oh, well, Maria, I will let you know when we're ready. Okay, I'm not looking. I'm looking. An odd number, Letitia.
It will be easier. I will get some.
Is 4 odd?
No.
Why? What happens with 4?
Because you have
They're all partners up. Let's look. Let's do 4 fingers. 2 and 2 is 4, right? Can I pair up my fingers?
6 plus, I know 6 times 6.
Is there a leftover finger just hanging out? So that's perfect, which means even. And I need one with an extra finger. 3 fingers. These 2 are buddies, and we have an extra one. Right, and 1 off. I mean, I would just try it first. Need 2 more odd numbers.
Okay. Well,
Boys. Yellow for gold.
5 words.
Acted.
I want you guys to be sure. Think 5 words. Right, I think not sure we can try with the check.
no, just do it by cheap color.
Or no, so just try for check. Okay. So 6
add one more? Can we do it then? Once we add one more? Okay, what if we add so we need, so this person sitting next to boy, where do we need another boy?
Another guess for on.
Right there? Can you put your chip in there?
Odd numbers.
Okay, anybody else? Where else do we need a blue chip now? Or have we fixed it? Oh, we need a blue chip here. I think it's going to be, where else do we need a blue chip?
You think it's same
Here? I think it's going to Now does it work? Yes, now it works. What's so special about this one that it works but it didn't work before?
Okay.
Girls are saying by boys.
So how many kids do we need?
Pick a big circle. We're going to pick this up.
How many kids do we need
Okay.
for our circle?
One chip. And I want Karina to take 3 chips. And I want
How many kids do we have?
7 chips. And I want
5 girls.
9 chips.
I know 100 times 100. Then we have 10
Let's
kids.
answer this question. We have 10 kids total, right?
Counting you two.
Yeah, 10 people total, right? So we can do it with 10 people total.
7. You have 7? All the extras put back. Okay. Are we all set with all of ours? Okay, so Haley, will you put your chip in the middle? Because if you're one, will you put it in the middle for us? Okay, let's put it right here. Oh, what happened to her chip? Zoe, will you give Kaylee a chip? Perfect. Okay, there's our one chip. Does it have a pair? So we're going to put it in the middle. Karina, you're in charge of 3, right?
Am I magical what?
We're trying to figure it out still. We think you're magic, but we're still trying to figure it out. Karina, you have 3 chips, right? Let's pair those up if we can.
10 plus 2 is 12.
What happened? What do we do?
Which numbers of kids do you think it'll work for? Do you think it'll work for 13 kids?
14? Will you put these in here?
3,
You think 14?
odd, and
You would put 3 in here.
okay.
Will it work for 15?
3 is odd and 2
Okay, there's an extra chip.
Okay, so I have a penny in one hand
19.
and a dime in another. Okay, Marie doesn't know. You can go around and see where I have the penny and where I have the dime, but Marie shouldn't. Go around. Check.
Sorry.
And it would work with those 4, wouldn't it?
You know, okay? Okay, don't tell her.
But she has X-ray vision. She can see something.
Let's see whether Marie can do it. Okay, Marie, what do you want me to do? This is my right hand. This is my left hand. What do you want me to do?
Multiply the amount in your left hand.
What is my left hand? Who knows where the left hand?
Okay, I'm going to show you guys a new trick.
You just the whole thing. Let's try it again. Now she knows where I am.
We're going to put them all on.
Go around and check.
Can you scoot back a little bit so we have some space?
Our trick.
Getting
Can
big
you
space.
scoot back just a little bit
Big
more?
circle.
Yep, a big circle. That's good. That's good, Anna. You can come up a little bit. That's good. Okay, so we're gonna take. We're gonna make a grid of 5
odd numbers.
5 columns
So
of
7.
So I'll start by putting out
Is our
5.
total right now? This is our total here. We're not doing that.
So we can just
Is our total an even number or an odd number? And how do we know?
Okay, now we got an extra.
Okay, so let's add this
Pattern.
9.
How many blues do you want? Like, what do you want?
Add this last line.
Okay, and the second one? And the third one?
You have some guesses for odd.
Okay, and the fourth one?
Okay, but do you think odd?
Fifth one?
The sum is
Odd.
23.
Okay.
Does anyone want to try to explain this?
We'll do it.
Becca, what do you want the pattern of?
I think here, bro.
So 9 is not even, so when you add it in, it's going to make it odd. Okay, any other thoughts?
Okay, and then what?
Pink, pink.
Okay, great, thank you.
Extra one in the middle. How many?
Anna, what do you want for your round? Or let's see, Susan, you tell me.
Okay.
What do you want?
So multiply
Do
the
you have any
amount
extras?
in your left.
How many extras? And right now, we were at even, so we didn't have any extras. So do you want to put your extra one in the middle? So let's look. If we count up all of these, we're going to get a pretty big number. But is that number even or odd? Let's look at our pairs. And Maria, the magic person, Maria the magician, she guessed odd. Does anyone think they can perform the magic trick on their own?
Okay, 3 by 3
Someone
here,
want to try it?
3 here, and by 2 here.
You want to
Give me
try
the
it?
answer.
So we're going to put a list of numbers on the board, and we're going to tell you how many numbers.
Let's see whether I'm right.
Yours was pink.
Even or
I
odd.
am. I said, this is a dime.
And this one's going to tell you the numbers.
Let's try it.
Can I try?
You ready to make that one move?
So we can try the magic trick before.
Okay, so what's the last one, Anthony? Blue, okay. Now I'm going to add another row and another column just to make it even trickier, okay?
So,
You scoop us just a little bit.
thank you guys.
Back a little.
So again, multiply the amount in your left hand by 3.
Okay, let's move over here where there's more room.
Multiply the amount in
I think this one ends at 10
Oh my goodness. Okay. Let's go sit
Tell
over
me
here.
what you got. You have your dime too.
Okay, one big circle.
How do I know?
Because
Okay.
divided by 3. Oh, well, it has to
Okay,
be
so I have, how many children do we have here?
because it's 3 in
Here's how the trick is going to work. More than one.
Okay, who wants? You're going to guess. And Risha, you.
So, how many times do we get again? 9 children.
Hi.
One of you is
Okay. So everybody knows where she has a diamond. Everybody knows where she has a baby. Okay, now
1, 2, 3.
Okay,
1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Does that work? Is that okay? Okay, so we're going to get in groups of 3. And everyone, one card.
And when I come back, I'll tell you which one you switch.
Okay?
All the. So Anthony, how many rows are there here? Anthony, how many rows?
Like this. And 1's going to be upside down.
6 rows? And how many columns?
This is the one that my taught me. My mom taught me.
Yeah. How many columns are there?
This is like timing.
That's right. How many columns are there? Yeah. So columns means this is how many rows? 6. So how many are there total? These are rows.
6 and 6 make what's it called? 12.
Okay, 1, 2,
If we were adding them, it would make 12. But we have 6 rows and 6 columns.
What we're going to do, I'm going to tell you the rules first. What we're going to do is we're going to flip 2 at a time.
So let's count them. 1,
So we
How
grab
many
2
out of
cups. Any
5?
2.
10.
oh, but there's 6 in each
So
cup.
you have to keep this
Do you
on
want to count
one
them? So this is 5, 10,
right like this. And then we're going to flip 2 at a time. So we grab 2 and we flip them both. And one,
5.
there's
36.
yeah, there's 36 cards. Do you think I can figure out which one it was?
okay.
Yeah.
So
So
we
here's what
started
we're going
like
to do.
this.
I'm going to go
And
away
one turn
and
is
back up.
flipping
It's
2.
your job.
So I flip
Trade
1
one
and I flip
card.
the other.
Only trade one, and everybody's going to remember which one you trade, okay?
Each turn you get to flip 2 cups.
There are your 2 cards.
Okay. So my next turn,
I'll close my eyes and go right over here.
choose 2 and flip them over.
Multiply this by 3.
1 at a time. Flipped it and put it down.
Multiply this by 2.
Did this one get flipped yet?
Ready?
Okay. So let's flip it. Take this one and turn it over.
Let's see.
Take this one and turn it
One
over.
could you guys have traded?
Can I do it?
Which one could it
So I flipped one.
possibly be?
Someone choose
I
another
think
one.
it's this one.
Yes.
Wow.
We flipped over 2
How did
cups.
I
So you have to be
figure
really
that out?
careful. Because it's
Oh,
pretty
you
hard. It's
heard
pretty easy.
it.
I did.
You saw it, and
You guys
then
choose 2. I'm going to choose these 2.
I couldn't
I
the trick? Okay.
Or
you want to try to...
I'll wait till I'll close my eyes.
Okay, he's going to close his eyes.
I'll wait till it after him.
Your turn.
Tell me when you're done.
Okay, we'll tell you when we're done. Look. Upside down. Do you know what upside down looks like? These ones are upside down. This one's up, right? These ones are down. So our goal is to get all of them up or all of them down. Do you think you can do it? You guys think you can win?
Okay, now hide the
Okay, so let's split up into our groups of three.
Okay, we're ready. Come on over. Can you figure out which one it was?
I'm going to start 3 down or 3 up and 1 down. Okay? You guys ready for your cups? Okay. And I'm going to put 1 and you 3 right here. And we're going to start
Wait, you did 2.
3 up and 1 down. And we can flip 2 each time. So don't go too far away because I want to watch you.
Was it that one? No.
Oh, the wedding nail.
Yeah, that's...
Oh, well, you get switched to.
Which one do you think she switched?
What we're trying to do is, do you want me to tell you again? We're going to get them all up or all down.
Which one do you think it was? No? Wasn't that one?
Are they all up or all down right now? Let's try it. You guys are good. Is this your first turn? 1. Okay, you guys are ready. So we're going to flip 2 over.
Okay, let's tell him. Which one was it?
So we flipped 1.
Yeah, it was that one. Okay, who wants a chance to try the trick?
We're almost
Becca
at
does.
all of them.
Hide.
We need all of them down. All of them.
What? You want to change?
So
Okay,
that's our goal.
Friday's going to
We're
change
going to
it.
do it. Let's see if this works. Do you think it's possible? So you got to have almost all of them up.
Okay, and then hide those. Okay, Becca, come on back. Which one do you think is
Just start off. Try again. See if you can do it again because that's winning. You got it. But we're not sure how. You got to show me how. 1 more to go. Can you do it? Can you flip? No.
It's your job to figure out which part you change.
We're still super close. We still have 1 up. Did you guys do it? How did you do it? Can you show me?
Was it that one? No.
Another down turned over. Now you have to turn this one over too.
We can't tell you. It's your job to figure it out.
They don't want you to do it.
No.
Do you want to try one? Okay. Did we get it? I'm not sure. Did we move to
No.
each time?
Well, let's tell her. Which one was it?
What's going on? What happened?
That one. Do you guys want to learn how to do the trick?
Being 1 is
Do you want to learn how to do the trick? You can play it for your friends and your parents. So, here's how we do the trick.
Can we get
Oh, you want to? Yes. Okay. She wants to get. So, Anna, do you want to trade one?
that?
Or no? So, who wants to trade one? So, can you trade this one?
Other examples?
You want to trade it? Joseph, do you want to trade it?
No, it comes here. The cup.
Okay. Which one do you want to trade?
What do you guys think? Is it possible to win? Why? What keeps happening? Let's talk about it as a group.
I think she understands. You can ask her, but you can. Oh wait. What should we try? Let's run quick ready yet.
You want to try it with? You want to try it with 5 cups, 3 up, and 2 down. Okay. So I'm gonna throw you. I'm gonna throw the cups.
Oh, yeah.
And make so we can toss roulette.
We haven't taught the trick yet.
You want to stay
We're
with
just letting her guess now. But you can tell her we're ready.
Okay.
Okay, we're ready. We're ready.
You're done. Okay.
Which one do you think?
What if I do 5? 1 up. Or 1 down. Yeah, 1 down.
It was. That was the one. Yeah.
Okay, let's play around.
Good. Do you guys want to learn how to play it?
Someone
You want to learn? Here's what we have back. Yeah? Okay. So leave those there. Leave those there. I'm just picking up 1 round. So we'll leave those there. So the trick was, what did I say when I put down the extra row and the extra column? Why did I make it trickier? Actually, I was making it easier.
Zoe's still learning the rules.
I was giving myself a way of checking.
So how many
Do you remember I had a peak one? How many peak ones are there in a row then? Four? How many? Which do you think I'll put here? A pink
This
or a
one
blue?
is slightly different. You think you can explain it?
How many pink
What
ones
time
do
do
I
I
already
try to
have?
explain what this game is to you?
What if I put another pink
Is that
one?
okay?
Okay. How many pink ones do I have in this
We're
row?
going to start with
What if I put another
one
pink
up.
one? How many pink ones do I have on this row? Yeah.
Okay.
Now, how many pink ones do I have on this row? Two. So do you have to put another pink one or not? So I'll have 3 pink ones? But then it might get confusing because I'll have some rows with 4 pink ones and some rows with 3 pink ones. What if I put another blue one? Now how many pinks and how many blues do I have?
one up, one down.
Oh, so now I have 4 blues. Here I had 4 pinks, 4 pinks, 4 pinks, 4 pinks. And how many pinks? 2 pinks. Okay, so now let's work on the columns. How many pinks do I have in this column? 4. So do you think I should put a pink or a blue? A blue.
So do you guys want to try?
You did it again. An hour and a half.
How about this one?
So how many blues do I have in this column?
Do you think one's still up? Do you think it's possible?
What if
or
I put a
not?
blue one next? Okay, how many blues
I
do I
want
have
you
in
to
this
start
column?
all of them down except for that
2. So should I put a blue one or a pink one? Because now I have how many blues and how many pinks? Yeah, so what kinds of numbers do I have in every row and every column? If you count the number of pinks and the number of blues, what kinds of numbers do you get? All sorts of numbers?
Yes.
Let's see. So look at this row. How many blues? How many pinks? How many pinks? How many blues? How many pinks? How many blues? How many pinks?
Lucia's going to show you
What
where
kinds of
it is.
numbers are those?
Does anyone else have to go to the restroom now?
It's 10:15.
You go. You go. I don't think it's going to go in the bathroom.
It was 19 when we started. All even numbers, aren't they? Did you guys hear what Becca said? Anna, did you hear what Becca said? Did you? Let's ask Becca, what did you say?
All the numbers in this pile are all even.
Yes, now what happens if I swap one? So let's swap this one. Now how many blues do I have in this row?
3.
And how many pinks? And what about its column? How many pinks?
3.
And how many
You
blues?
guys want to play once together?
3.
So what if I'm closing my eyes and I come back?
What do you think's the best way
What
to
should
try
I
it?
look for?
Do you want them all up?
3.
3. It might not be 3s, it might be different. What if I swap this one? Now how many pinks are there in this row?
5.
And how many blues?
3.
So I know it's this column because I started with evens and now what do I have?
3.
No, I don't have 3. What kind of number do I have though?
3. 5.
Odd. I have odd numbers, don't I?
Explanation a lot.
So we can always look. So who wants to do the trick now that you know it? Becca does? Okay, so you go high. Who wants to flip one over? That's great. What is it?
Do we get it?
Yeah. So who wants to switch one now?
You want to try another move?
Kylie, do you want to switch one?
I want to
Do you want to switch one? Which one do you want to switch? Which one do you want to switch? That one? Okay, there we go.
Not sure yet. Let's keep trying.
Okay, Becca, you can come back.
Look how close we are. We're all. Do you know how to
Figure
win?
out which one he's
You know winning
switching.
is? That's okay. Do you remember or no? Winning is if we get them all up or all down. Can we do it? She says it's impossible. It's not. We can't.
So what are you looking for?
Same.
I know.
What can I get this one? I'm going to flip it.
So easy.
Did we win? No, that's not
Odd.
how we move. What do we have?
So do you see a row with odds?
Flip another one.
Which row has odds?
Say it
So
one
wait,
more time.
look at this row. How many are in this row?
Oh, I said
How many
How
pieces?
come I can't win? What's wrong?
Is that an odd row? So look for a row that has an odd number of pieces. That's a column, right? So it's definitely in that column. Now you also need to look at which row. Which row has an odd
Okay.
number of pieces?
Let's do a different game. Ready? I'm going to look at my list of games.
Yes.
Okay,
So
so
there's 3 blues and 3 pinks. So which card got
how are you
flipped?
at multiplication? Do you like
You know which row and you know which column.
in your head, or do you like writing?
Maria will tell you.
Both are okay.
She will show you.
Right, so wait. No, which row is it? Which row?
What about
Which
you?
column?
Do you know how to multiply?
So this is the row.
What about you?
And which is the column? Which is the column that had an odd number of pieces? How many pinks are in that column? Yeah, that's an easy one. Listen to this. Which column has an odd number of pinks?
You give me your.
Okay, right now I'm going to do a quick trick.
Which column has an odd number of pinks? Yes, so we know it's this